Welcome to 1757 Fulton Street. This is a 5-bedroom, 2-bath apartment that's been newly redone from top to bottom, available very close to the USF campus, right across from Lucky, on the same block as the Starbucks and some popular bars and restaurants. The apartment has an open common space, but it has a good size living room that we're looking at now. There's high ceilings and recessed lighting throughout the common rooms. And then the kitchen is adjacent to the living area. It features a Samsung side-by-side bottom drawer refrigerator with beverage service, white quartz counters with a quartz backsplash, a nice amount of cabinets. There's more recessed lighting in the kitchen, industrial sink, retractable faucet, stainless dishwasher, a Samsung gas range. There's a back door, and the back door leads to a yard, just sort of a shared common space. You can get a better idea of this kitchen living room setup from this angle. Then there's 5 bedrooms. It's just kind of your outlook from the living room. The first bedroom has 2 windows. It's in the rear, so it's nice and quiet. Looks over this yard and some of the surrounding buildings up towards Twin Peaks. And this bedroom has a nice closet. The second bedroom has a similar closet. It's a little bit smaller, not too small, and it looks over the Lucky. The first of the 2 baths are here. Chocolate cabinets, white quartz countertop, natural stone tile floor. Floor-to-ceiling tile surrounds the tub. You have some fancy hardware. There's great mirrors in these bathrooms. Onward, you go to a hallway and we get to the second bath. This one's even more tiled. One of the great features is an in-unit laundry. And it is an LG True Steam system, which is really nice. And just close the door and it goes away. It's a shot looking to the living room. Third bedroom, pretty big. It's a little bit of an outlook. And the high ceilings. No closet, but it should fit any size bed up to a king. There's a little alcove here, and it goes to bedroom number 4. It has an interesting little corner nook. Neighborhood view from there. And the final bedroom faces Fulton Street and the Lucky Market. A bay window of sorts with 3 windows. You can see there's nice hardwood floor throughout the whole apartment. It's a pretty nice bedroom, and it just looks down onto Fulton Street. If you're interested in leasing this apartment, visit billharkins.com or call 415-305-5311. Thank you, and have a great day.